And now I can say, welcome everybody. We are here today. We are going to talk about more cleanup on your website that you can do as we move further into the new world of website accessibility. Um, I've been telling a lot of people that Brendan has been making amazing strides in accessibility and everything that we can do to make his life easier. Or anybody who's going to be cleaning up websites, it's just that much less work when there's less things, less old dead information on your websites for them to have to wade through. Um, that said, um, we're also not trying to demand that you do have to do a ton of work on your site to make it accessible. What we're coming up with is a really great little dashboard that will eventually appear on your websites. We have our testers are using it right now. And this will appear on your pages or your posts as you are creating, as you're opening content or looking at content on the back end. This, in fact, if you're using the visual builder, you may not have to deal to see with this a lot yourself at all. But what it does is it's going to check every web page every time it's loaded to be edited, and it's going to create a report for us on accessibility issues. In a perfect world, your website's going to get cleaned up in the next year or two. And once your website is good to go as far as accessibility, we're handing it back over to you to add your content, or you're going to be adding content all along. But as you continue to add content, this accessibility checker is going to check what you're doing. And in a perfect world, when it's built up, if you're missing something like alt text, or you've added something that has poor contrast, you should get a notification saying, hey, there's an issue with your page. Don't proceed. Or are you sure you want to publish it as it is? And if you don't know how to fix it, we want to have a link in there where you're going to click send a ticket. And then it will like come up with an explanation of what the error is, create a ticket for you and send it in, and then we can take a look at it. So we really want to try to get accessibility off of your plates, but in the meantime, we still have work to do for learning how to use alt text on a regular basis, that the content that you're uploading is not just a poster with no information written out, and other good habits. On the back end, what we're going to cover today is some things you can do to lighten the load of your website in general. So we're going to not talk so much about moving things to draft anymore, but actually deleting content that is old and unused on your site. And then today I'm going to introduce a new plugin that is the Broken Link Checker plugin. And this plugin is going to allow you to view your website from the front end, and also on the back end get a report, even emailed to you a report of any links that are old and outdated and no longer functioning on your website. Just another way to help clean things up and make your website much more usable by everybody and accessible by law. So, any questions on any of that big overview before I dive into the official recording today or official training today?
Well, I'm so glad you're doing this though, because on the one on what day was that, Monday? I was wondering, how do I know what images are being used and what ones aren't so I can get rid of the ones that aren't?
And unfortunately, I don't have a great 100% answer for that. I will show you. There are some plugins out there that claim to be able to identify when an image or a media item is being used on your website. I have been the victim of trusting them and deleting items and finding out no, they were actually in use. So I'm going to give you a half answer on that. And I'm not going to give you a complete answer yet, but that's where we're hopefully going, is cleaning up your media library, cleaning up your broken links, and removing posts and pages that are no longer being used. Pages are the big one. So yes, images, links, and where they're actually displayed, posts and pages. That's what we're doing today. So I'm going to start with debating if I'm going to pick on my own work here. And I come back to this website, our WVLS website, a lot, only because It is kind of a nightmare, and I can freely say that because I am in charge of it. So I don't feel bad when I say, and we know, we're actually going to do a website rebuild rather than trying to just make this website accessible. We are going to do a website rebuild and just start from scratch because this is ridiculous. None of you should have anything that looks like this, but just for an idea, this website, if you're following along at home here, if you look at the number of pages, this website has 85 published pages. I think the average library website is around 10 to 15. Some are even smaller than that, but 85 published pages. And we have under posts, I have done a ton of cleaning up on this website. I think we had 1,000 posts. And now we are down to 103 currently published posts. And then when we look at media items, and this is where Sue is saying, like, what do I do about this? Um, we have 7,356 media items on this website. And Lordy knows if they are still being actively used or not. Um, I have gotten as far as putting in the real media library, and there is a plugin, and there is a training document on this plugin. It's called the Real Media Library. We're still using the free version, where you can create folders for organizing. And I've gotten down to the point where there's only 705 unorganized media items, but I also have helpers on our website that don't always, when they add it to the website, they're not organizing it. So I do have a bunch of media items that are just hanging out here as I don't know if they're still being used or not. And even among these may well be post images, featured images from posts that we no longer have active. So I want to tell you where I started in my journey on this website. As I said, when I came in here and realized that we had, and as far as accessibility goes, whether it's a post or a page, accessibility doesn't care. It still wants that page to be scanned and to be fully screen reader accessible. So basically, the more pages and posts and anything we have on our website, the more chances we have for something to be not not accessible or having to go back and fix it. So to reduce the amount of fixing we have to do, what I started with was really looking at the posts that we currently have up on our website and going, you know what? A lot of these are really old. And it took me a while, and your methods may vary, but here's a couple of ways of looking at posts. Um, they are, sorry, you can look at the ones that are published by you. Most of this, I think you are probably the only user on your website, and there may be one or two users. So looking at filtering by the ones that you've done versus somebody else is not as useful. Looking at published posts is going to be what you want to do, though. Um, there would be a category of published and unpublished. What you may want to do is look at unpublished posts. And notice I've already cleaned up all of these, so I don't have a category of unpublished posts. But if you have a bunch of unpublished posts, that is a great place to start. What I'm going to do actually is I'm just going to go and I'm going to pull, let's say, January 2024 and hit filter. So I'm only going to see things that were published in January 2024. And so I have, this is actually going to be a perfect example. On our system website, we published a post called Library Legislative Day Scholarships Are Available. And it is now in an uncategorized category. And I know Library Legislative Day was in February. We don't need that information about scholarships. I have advised in the past that if you think you're going to use something on a regular basis, you can always go back and re-edit. You can move it to draft or you can move it to unpublished in some way. and then reuse it. If you are constantly creating new posts rather than updating old posts, this is where we want to really look at. I'm going to pick on this one. Library Legislative Day scholarships available. You have a couple of options. If you've been doing posts for a while, you're pretty familiar with this. There is edit and quick edit. Quick edit opens just a very brief menu. You don't see the entire content of your post. And at this point, you can change your status of your post. So this one still says published. I'm going to move, you can move this to draft if you want a chance to review it. And if you are using the Future Actions plugin, you already maybe have a whole bunch of these that have just been automatically moved to draft because the default stat was like after a certain date, this post is no longer relevant. Our book club has met. I want it to go off my website on a certain date. And the default in the Future Actions plugin is to go to draft. You can choose to send it directly to trash. If you are not going to use a post again, skip the draft. I know I've said in the past, hey, send it to draft. It'll be there if you need it. I am now changing that to just send it to trash. We have enough information in our life. And if you are not one who's going to be recycling your posts on a regular basis, just send it to trash. Just for an example, in this one though, I am going to change, I'm not going to use the enable future action on this. I'm just going to change the status to draft and I'm going to update this. Now you see up here, you see a new category of all mine published and then drafts. And these are going to be the ones where you're like, okay, I'm not looking at these anymore. I'm going to take all of these ones that have been their scholarships, things that a job posting that we no longer need. And I am going to click on the bulk action, move to trash, hit apply. And now I'm going to see a new category pop up that says trash. These posts and when you trash a page as well, they're still here for a little while. You can take a look at them and, like you haven't lost anything yet. But you can also just empty your trash and get rid of them forever. What's nice about the trash is that this no longer is going to count against us as far as accessibility. So it can sit in here, it can stay in trash. I think, and I did not check this, I think after 30 days, the trash does empty itself. But don't quote me on that because I looked it up one time and I might be confusing it with somewhere else because I did not write it down. But at least if it's in trash, it no longer is going to be an accessibility issue for us. Or, but then the best thing when you hit empty trash, then and I'll just for this time, I'm just going to delete one item because I can come down to Library Legislative Day scholarships available and I can delete one item permanently. And now you've taken the weight of a post off of your website. So you're in charge of your website. If there are things you're not using, feel free to put them in trash or delete permanently. Pages, the exact same thing. If you know you have a page in here, and we had one where we were experimenting with a page. There's a home page that was just a test page. Without even having to quick edit or click the checkbox, you can just directly hit trash right on that page. And now you have a page up into your trash. And again, it's no longer counting against the accessibility. We no longer have to worry about the scanning happening on a page that's in the trash. So that's a pretty straightforward, easy way to go. Posts and pages. If you've got things from 2016 and 2017 and you haven't touched them since, I would say go ahead, say goodbye. We're going to Marie Kondo this thing and get our websites Swedish death cleaned, and say goodbye to the old stuff, and now make a habit. In fact, if you are using the Future Publish Press Future plugin, you can when a you can actually set your future action settings to default action. And so it's under future actions for posts, the default action, change status, and you can put it right to trash, and you don't have to come back in and clean that out again. If you're into and you feel comfortable, you can just let things go right to trash, and you won't have to deal with that stuff hanging out there in your future. So those are for posts and pages. I'm just going to change it. Once again, just wrapping up and saying, move things to trash, set future actions to send things to trash. You can always go back and retrieve things from trash for a period of time. But I think we're probably to the point that we recreate things well enough that we can do it. That does not address the media. If you trash a page or you trash a post, it does not delete the media that is associated with that. So that is going to stay in your media library. This is where it doesn't answer Sue's question. What might be a very good habit is if you know you've had posts that you are sending to trash and they're going away, take once a month, come in here, find the media that you're not going to use again, and delete them. The way WordPress works is everything is in file folders by month date. So if you do this on a monthly basis and you can just pull up your last month, so May is over, I'm going to look at what was up in May and be like, I can delete this, this image, which was for the post about the May newsletter. I can go ahead and delete this item because in this case, I know Jamie's going to recreate this the next May anyway. She's not going to reuse this image. So on a monthly basis, on a quarterly basis, log in, pull up the last few ones. Leon, what's your question? Or did you do that? Oh, all good? Okay.
I clicked it accidentally because I was
You're trying to
looking at my website while I was listening.
You're trying to actually work on your website. Good for you.
Yep.
Not a problem.
And I accidentally rose my hand.
That just means I'm working.
Yeah, raised my hand. Sorry.
No problem. So if I ever find a solution that for the media library for cleaning things up that works, you will be the first to know. And maybe with AI, because we have found a few AI tools that have been very, very useful, we might be able to find some things. And before I leave today, you all should have received my email about AI, but before we leave, I'm going to do just a little snippet on that. I'll show you guys that weren't here, the AI tool. But maybe plugins will get better in the very near future. This is what we hope. I'm going to pause because what I'd like to present is a completely new thing. I would like to talk about a new plugin called the Broken Link Checker plugin. So one of the other challenges we have on our websites is maybe we are linking out to a community resource, or we have something on our website that we've had there for a while. We've got a web page that we don't look at very often, and we've linked to something, and that URL has changed. We used to say, spring cleaning, sit down in front of your website and go through every page and click on every link and see if they still work. It's kind of a pain in the butt. It's time consuming and figuring that out. I have discovered the Broken Link Checker. It is oops, let me just open up. It is called installing a new plugin. Sorry, I closed it out instead of keeping it open. Need to find my information on this. Open in plugins. It is literally called Broken Link Checker. I'm going to install it on a new website so that you will see the process of me installing it here today. I go to plugins. Let me let it load. And I'm going to go to add plugin. And up here, I'm going to type after it reloads again. Search for broken link checker. Whenever our websites are getting slow. Okay, and it's this first one that pops up, literally called Broken Link Checker. It's a green broken link, and all you have to do is click Install Now. I'll have information on the post so you can identify the correct one if you are uncertain. So you're going to install and then hit Activate. And I do have this laid out, but there are some settings. So it's going to appear in your plugins, and then you'll know you have it installed because down underneath the settings list, there will be a blue link checker, there'll be a broken link checker menu item. And what you are going to want to click on is the local old. We're using the local scan. They have a cloud service. I don't see any reason for using the cloud service at this point. It's supposed to be faster or whatever. The local, and you don't have to set up an account or anything to use the local. So right now, I just installed it. It does not have any broken links listed. It has not run a scan yet. I'm going to go into settings briefly just so you see. The defaults for the most part work very well for the settings. Just a couple to be aware of is, and again, this is all in the documentation, and I'll put this right into chat right now. Okay, here's a link to the training, and this is the settings. As far as the setup goes, there's a screenshot, and basically there's 4 settings that you're going to be concerned about. Where did I go? Local breaks. The default is to check links every 72 hours. If that becomes too often, or if that's not often enough, you can change it. And then if you upload a new web page, it will scan it basically right away. It will send you an email notification. You can choose to opt out of that, but if you want to have a passive way and have it like, oh, it's scanning these links and one goes stale, and have it email you, you can check the box. It is already checked by default, but what you will want to do is definitely the notification email address, put in your email address into this. So if you have a director at, I'll put in eBrewster at Lee, Wisconsin for this one. Otherwise, it's going to go to the email account that everybody asks about, the general email account. If you want to get emails about the broken link checker, make sure that you've put your email into this. If you don't want to receive email, uncheck this box. And then the last one that we're going to be concerned about is this link tweaks. And I'm going to show you this one right now. This apply custom formatting to broken links. What this does is it puts a strike through on the public web page that shows that the link has been scanned and is being reported as broken. You may have feelings about this that are different than mine. I don't frankly care if somebody's using my web page and they see a strike through a link, because it's broken. So it's something that like if they click on it, they will get an error anyway. If they don't click on it because it's struck through, great, that saved them a click. What it does do, and what I do like about it is, let me show you a page that actually has a broken link on it, which I had open. We're going to go to continuing education. So I know there's some. I've done some cleanup, but there are so many broken links on this website, it's not even funny. So we are going to go to continuing education, professional development, there it is. And because what has happened here is this website has links from recordings, slides, and activity sheets from 2018, 2019, 2017. Obviously, over time, if you're linking out to a webinar that was posted in 2017, those links are going to go bad. So when I click down here and I see the 2017 recording slides and activity sheets, and now here the slides link is broken. It's been scanned and it's been determined to be broken. So if I were to click on that, there it is. What I find handy about this is if you are working on your website and you open up a web page, you are going to see that strike through right there without receiving an email report, without going into the link checker dashboard. It's going to be right there. It's going to be obvious and it's going to be visible to you. And you may even have somebody say, hey, there's on your website, there's this thing that doesn't work. They may actually even comment on it and bring it to your attention. For me, any way that you can get attention about something that's broken on your site is a good thing. So I prefer, again, that's in the settings. I prefer for the link tweaks to leave the default, apply the custom formatting of a strike through on that. So I'm fine with the defaults on this. If you want to turn off the email notifications and turn off the custom formatting, it would be under the general settings. So as I said, I've just installed it on this website, which means if I go into the broken links list here, I'm not going to see any right away because it waits 72 hours, or over the next 72 hours, it'll do a scan. However, if I do, I can do a search and see if there's anything that is broken. It will do its scan over time. So just set it and forget it. This is what it looks like when you actually have a broken link report. And when you get the email, it's not a very detailed email. It is just an email that says some broken links were found. And so it's going to have you come in, click on the link checker and click on the local link checker. And then you get a report that looks like this. Like I said, this website is a heart attack website. Right now it's saying that there are 5,926 links, of which it says 525 of them are broken. There's warnings for 202 of them. A warning is different. A warning means that there's something just not quite working right. It's hitting a 403 forbidden. Sometimes what that is it's a password protected item. So we have a lot of things where the webinar recording requires a login. So what it's doing is it's realizing that it's not getting to the actual content and that you're getting a forbidden because you have to log in to see the content. It also shows a menu of redirects. And redirects are things where the web page may have been, is okay, but this original, maybe there's been a change in the URL and it's not able to connect in the same way as it's used to. These are less important, but then again, if you're hitting this 404 not found, that's anytime there's a status of 404 not found, that's when you know the link is truly broken. I have had some mixed experience with this where it says that it's not It says that it's a broken link, and occasionally it actually is working just fine. You can, to address this, so this one says wisconsinlibraries.org W/WLA conference is a 404 link that is broken. The text is, it's not the URL link, but it is actually a hyperlink on text. It's telling me it's on the scholarships and grants page. And if I click on view, it will bring me to the page that has that broken link. If I click on the scholarships and grants itself, it will open it on the edit page so that you can go in and directly edit, which I find is pretty handy. Sometimes finding exactly in here where the error is, that was a WLA. I don't see that particular link popping out at me right now. It said something about can be found here, but sometimes it's a matter of kind of clicking around and looking for. The other thing it may also be detecting is on this page, we have hidden, we have set modules to be invisible. It may still scan that and find that module, so it may not be something that is immediately an issue to the public. But this is how you get a chance. You can go in directly, edit the page, you can view the page that it's reporting it on. And then if it's not a problem, if this one is not an issue, you can report it as not broken. Or if you know, like in this case, it's not visible, you can hit dismiss. And it will scan again eventually. If you dismiss it, it may be like this one, it says this link has failed 68 times. It has been broken for 1 month. And it'll give you some of that detail information. There's a lot of functionality here. What I really like about it is simply if you're on your website, you've got this installed, it's running its scans, it will throw the strike through. So you're on your website and you notice, oh, that's got to get fixed. I need to check that. Or you'll get an email alert and you'll come in and be able to see like, okay, it's time to update this information. So another tool for cleaning up your websites. The instructions are in chat for how you get to it to add it to your website. If you want assistance getting it added to your website, send a ticket to website help at librarieswin.org. Easy for us to pop it on there. And yeah, just another way to keep your websites clean and healthy and up and running. Any thoughts, questions, or additional functionality you'd like to see other than being able to clean up your media library better? Does anybody want a quick preview of what this new accessibility tool looks like?
I was just gonna say, I see that accessibility checker on your list there.
And this is actually, yes, so this is what Brendan is rolling out. He is taken this one actually doesn't have all the enhanced features to it yet, I don't think. Let me see. This is just the straight plugin. You may see this appearing on your websites, probably not till July or August, because he's doing a few select sites first, and if he runs into barriers, he's going to roll it out. It is called Accessibility Checker. If you have an accessible WP or another accessibility plugin, you can go ahead and keep those on there. This does not conflict. But let me show you on this page. The accessibility checker here has full functionality, at least to date. What Brendan has done is he's added this basic checker, but then it does a site scan and it will do site notes. So we can maintain kind of an audit log as changes need to be made or changes are made to your website. We can see over time what has been happening. And so that's kind of what this looks like. But what it looks like in function. Let's just pull up a page here. This website is considered fully accessible. This is our model site right now. So as this accessibility checker tool loads, these should be at 100% or very, very close to it. So what happens is on the back end of your website is you start seeing this widget box appear. So normally here's your Divi builder on the back end. This is what the accessibility checker tool looks like. I'm thinking what's going to happen is it's eventually going to get moved over here. Fun tip is if you didn't know it, all of these boxes on these edit pages can be moved around into different places. So if you don't want the accessibility checker in your way, it can get moved over here, and it just ends up getting a little squished and a little harder to read. But when we're done using it, that's just going to make it easier to have it there. Every time you make a change on your website and you save that change, this score will change. This is going to give you all of the details of all of the accessible things that are happening. And so right now, any of these are zero problems. There's zero zooming and scaling problems. There are zero underlying text problems. These are the problems. This is the information about the problem itself and why it's important to have underlined text. And then it has, it would, if there were an issue here, it would detail it. There are two ignored items. These are things that it thinks are problems, but Brendan knows it's not because he's testing with a screen reader. And so this is just something that it looks, they think based on the font size, the scan thinks it's a heading. But what you can do is with the accessibility checkers, you'd be able to click view on page. And it will take you to the web page and it will show you, it will outline the thing that it thinks is a problem. And in this case, it's not a problem because we know that this is not heading text and we don't want it to be read as heading text. But it would outline any of the problems on your website, and then it would give you the code where the issue is, and it would give you suggestions on how to fix it here. Again, most people, you're not going to be fixing it yourself. Maybe you can because you're like, oh, it should be X number of pixels, or I know how to change the color, or I know how to add alt text. It would tell you that you need to add alt text. You can add it and then rerun the scan and have it, or otherwise you would be able to send us a ticket and say, I need help fixing this issue. And that'll just speed up the process of us being able to identify issues. Kind of like the broken link checker, you get a report rather than having to go out to the website and see it. So that's what a good website will look like. Right now, the websites do not have this beautiful green score across the board. There are things, the readability is something too. Most of our website, they want websites to be at a 9th grade or below reading level for understandability. I think that's a good goal to have. Most of our stuff on our websites has been more at the 12th grade level. But that's not part of the AA standard that we need to achieve. So again, Brendan, what he's adding in is the site scanner so that we can see across the entire website and you would be able to like find what the errors are and then how many of them there are. And you can click through to find, you can click right into the web page from a main dashboard. So that's the functionality that Brendan is adding right now. And then over time, there are snapshots. There's snapshot 1 and snapshot 2 so that we can compare the number of errors over time and see the improvement. Which for litigation purposes, I hate to think that anybody is going to be taken to court over their website, but part of the litigation is being able to show that, yes, you have been making improvements over time. Perhaps the website is not accessible, fully accessible at this moment, but we have been working towards it. And if we can show, if you guys, as owners of your website, can show we're working, we're trying to get there. Here's where we're hung up. Usually that helps dismiss a case or gives a judge, like, okay, we'll give you until this date to get it to that appropriate status. It's not out there to be punitive. It's out there to really help people access information. So yeah, so that's where we're going with accessibility. And fingers crossed, this could be a very lightweight and relatively inexpensive solution that we can maintain over time and keep our websites accessible. We still have to talk about PDFs. Alt text is coming. Expect in July and August that I'm going to start talking about PDFs and using PDFs on websites and what we need to do to deal with that, and archive of information. Those are our big things that we need to hit. And if anybody would like to take a look, if anybody wants to experiment with screen readers and wants to take a look at a website, a library website, we have our this model website is set up. It should be fully screen reader functional. So if you wanted to experiment and know that you're using a screen reader with a site that's supposed to work with a screen reader so that you can get used to the functions, this devlibrarieswin.org is our model fully functional website. Okay, that's a lot of me talking today. I'm going to head and pause record or stop share and stop the recording for now.